Guys, look at this sexy beast. Hemi 2020 Hellcat. Shining bright. Look at that. Such a sexy car. Anyways, what we got done on it, let me show you guys. Factory converter, factory X-Pipe. Then we took the ugly mufflers that were on it and put 2 Black Widows. Here's the part number. Be a link in the description for them. Right there. Then valves stayed on there and there for now. Maybe later down the road he'll take them off. Then we did a rear delete there and there and finished it off nicely with some carbon fiber 3.5-inch tips to complete the look, because it's got a lot of carbon on it, as you guys can see. It's really clean. It's such a nice car. I like it. So we had to finish it off with more carbon, because you know, why not? The more carbon, the better. There's the mids that were on it right there, and the rears that were on it right there. I think it looks a lot better now. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Guys, we got a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Beautiful, finished in orange, really beautiful color. What we got done on it, actually we didn't do it, another shop did, but he came and brought his, I think his son's Elantra. We just did a muffler delete on it. And he said, I have a Hellcat, I want you guys to put it on the channel. I'm gonna put on a show. I said, okay, no problem. So we're gonna show you what it looks like under it first. He had another shop do the work, okay? Factory converters there. Then factory X-Pipe. Then he bought his own Super 10s and we put them on for him. The other shop put them on for him. And then he bought it that already had a muffler delete on it also. A rear resonator delete right there and right there. There's the Flowmaster Super 10s right there. He purchased them from Amazon. Part number 842518. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out this sexy 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. There's the badge. 2019, it's only got 1,900 miles on it. Fully wrapped, and he got a hell of a deal on it, man. I don't blame him for picking this car up. And then he's like, I gotta bring it here, we gotta make it loud. It's too quiet for me. So we said, we got you, homie. So he brought it in, and this is what we done. We cut the rear mufflers off. That's the 2 rear mufflers right there. So still got the factory converters there and there. Factory X-Pipe. Then he had a mid muffler delete done somewhere else. We fixed the welds on it for him because they were leaking. And then we did a valve delete there and there, as you guys can see. And then we did a rear muffler delete also there and there, and kept the factory tips, because you know, keep it on the low, and the factory black tips look better on it. If they were chrome, I would have told them to take them off, but because they're black, they look good, as you guys can see. So SRT Dodge Challenger Hellcat, 1,900 miles. That's crazy. Let me let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's what a Hellcat should sound like. Wow. Oh, that's so neat. I don't know why they're letting out the factory like this. It's stupid. Why they make them quiet? Here's sound decibels. 114. And that's what I'm talking about, the carbon fiber. Look, it has carbon fiber all throughout here, on the lights, stripes. So it's only fitting to have them on the tips too. Oh, it's so nice. That's perfect blend too, the look, everything. I love black on cars, man. Are you gonna get the hood bra on it?
I'm actually probably gonna end up taking the stripes off.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get it wrapped satin black.
Oh, that'd be sick. Yeah, that would be sick. It's got such a mean bite, man. Wow. It's just deep. Black Widow, Angry Housewife. You gotta admit, that is sexy. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. So this is what it sounds like with Super 10s. Factory X and rear delete. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 114. I'm gonna back it out. I think it sounds good. Dodge Hellcat Challenge with Flowmaster Super 10. I'll let you guys hear on things. Sounds so good. Here's sound decibels again. Watch them say there's a rod knocking or something because of that. Guys, it's the construction making the knocking noise, okay? It's not us. See it? He's hammering away. You hear that? Duck, 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 duck. It's annoying! Stop it! All right, go ahead. I love the look of it. That's awesome. Let you guys hear it on the inside. I like it. It's just cleanly done. Not overly done, just perfect. See if he gives us a badass drive off. Yeah! Look at still. Hell yeah. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys. Oh, he's stopping traffic. Yeah. Beast mode. Not bad at all. And that was a sunset launch that we did right there, guys. Oh, no, you don't need to. That's what it sounds like, guys. Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Fully straight pipe and valve delete. So I know you guys like that. It's louder. Got a real clean idle to it. Can't beat the idle on these.